Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
We've dropped another degree at 57 degrees. The dew point value coming in at 54 right now. Very cool, crisp weather outside your door this morning. East-northeast wind coming in at about 7, making it feel about a degree cooler than that, actually. Coming in at feels like about 56, although we really can't talk about feels like quite yet. Nevertheless, we are going to see those temperatures rise today, and this temperature will be the coolest of the work week. As we head into the next several days, we'll notice humidity levels start to increase, and these nighttime temperatures also respond by increasing as well. 57 Wauchula, Myakka coming in at 57, so is Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch at 58. Sarasota at 57, Venice at 60, Inglewood at 60, and 62 out at Longboat Key. As we progress into the 9 o'clock hour with a little bit of sunshine starting to work on the temperatures, we'll bump it up into the 60s. And then as we head into the noontime hour into the 70s, and then we'll top it out at the low 80s this afternoon. One thing you'll notice this afternoon, I think, is that the humidity will start to increase just a little bit, and the winds will start to shift from an easterly direction to a more southeasterly direction, which will help to bring in that humidity. And then tonight should be a beautiful evening, 75 degrees, the evening temperature with mostly sunny skies, I think, until we get to the sunset period. Should be beautiful. East wind comes in to start off the day, then we'll watch that east wind switch to a more southeasterly direction. That's what's going to bring our humidity back. May bring a cloud or two around as well, but not many. And it certainly will not be enough to produce any rainfall around here. We're dry today. We're dry tomorrow, despite the fact that we'll develop a south wind by later on. And that south wind will continue to pump the humidity and moisture in across the region, making it tomorrow, I think, feel a little bit on the muggy side during the afternoon. By 10 p.m., we'll look for a passing cloud or two, and then by tomorrow, I think we'll probably see those temperatures start to rebound again back into the 80s, but the feel of the air will be, I think, decidedly different by Thursday. Radar not showing you anything in the way of any kind of echoes. We won't see any today. There's the frontal boundary. This really divides the country between cooler air to the north and the warm, moist air to the south of us. I think what we'll see is eventually this front kind of inch its way closer to us, but the areas of really strong thunderstorm activity will lift to the north and to the east. So by the time that front reaches our area, it won't have much left to it. So we'll be lucky to wring out a few much needed showers across the Sun Coast as we finish up the month, really on the dry side of average. These little areas of low pressure move off to the north and to the east, and we're enjoying a high pressure ridge providing us with sunny skies for a couple of days. That high sinks south, and that's why we're going to twist those winds around, as I've been talking about in this forecast. Those winds out of the south will help to increase the humidity. It'll keep us warm as well. Winds will slacken as we head into the afternoon, and we stay dry till Friday. Dry because of all this dry air in place. Indicated here on the water vapor imagery is that tan color that's all over the state of Florida. So that's going to bring us our blue skies. South wind coming in at about 5 to 10, decreasing even to 5 knots during the late afternoon into the evening. 82 today, tomorrow 81, a 79 we'll call it on Friday, just because of the extra cloud cover, I think. Maybe an isolated shower or two in the second half of the day on Friday into Saturday, because that front will sort of linger as it washes away. Once it washes away, Sunday looks great. Lots of sunshine, mild temperatures. Should be a beautiful Easter Sunday. And then the beginning of next work week stays warm and sunny as well.